Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do trigonometry part 2. This is what lesson number 3. Here exercise 3.2 is going on. In previous video we did, इसके पहले के वीडियो में हमने exercise 3.2 का first question किया था. Now in this video we are going to start with question number 2 of exercise 3.2. So let's do this question number 2. Here, see all these questions, they are based on allied angles. So here you have to prove that cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x, sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. So here यहाँ पे cos of pi plus x, now keep in mind cos pi plus x, so it is in what third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative और with pi मतलब क्या है 2 times of pi by 2 plus theta और 2 times of pi by 2 plus x. अगर ये even है even multiple of pi by 2, so trigonometric function does not change. तो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में भी cos x आएगा और it is in third quadrant, so it will be negative. Then cos of minus x, cos of minus theta is cos theta, even function है. So cos of minus x, that is equal to what? Cos x. Whereas sin of minus x is minus sin x. Sin of pi minus x, next is sin of pi minus x. यहाँ पे भी pi मतलब we can express as 2 times of pi by 2. तो even multiple of pi by 2 है तो trigonometric function does not change. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में sin है तो राइट हैंड साइड में भी sin ही आएगा और here in the right hand side also it will be sin x. Now this angle pi minus x is in second quadrant. So second quadrant में sin positive होता है. So here we wrote positive sign. Then cos of pi by 2 plus x. Next angle is cos of pi by 2 plus x. So plus x, pi by 2, 1 into pi by 2. Okay, 1 into pi by 2. ये odd multiple of pi by 2 है तो trigonometric function will change. Left hand side is cos, so right hand side will be sin x. Right hand side will be sin x. And this is in second quadrant. ये second quadrant में है तो negative sign, because in second quadrant cos is negative. So हमारा left hand side क्या होगा? See here, left hand side will be here LHS is equal to, what is the numerator? Cos of pi plus x. What is this cos of pi plus x? Minus cos x. And cos of minus x is cos x, so into cos x. Then denominator is what? Sin of pi minus x. What is sin of pi minus x? It is sin x. So it is sin x. And cos of pi by 2 plus x, it is minus sin x. So it is minus sin x. So here minus cos square or minus sin square आएगा तो minus minus will get cancelled and it will be plus here cos square x और denominator आएगा sin square x. So cos square upon sin square is cot square x. Yes, which is right hand side. Cot square x you have to prove. So it is right hand side. Cot square x we have to prove. Then next question is cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x and whole bracket cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x. You have to prove this is equal to what? 1. So let's prove this. So we will find here, see this is what second sub question. Yes, here cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x. Now clearly यहाँ पे मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई बाय 2 इज व्हाट, ऑड मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई बाय 2 है, सो cos विल चेंज टू e, ओके, sin, so that will be equal to what, sin x, and 3 pi by 2 plus x, 3 pi by 2 plus x, 3 pi by 2 plus x is in, see here it is 3 pi by 2 and plus x, so this angle is in fourth quadrant. Yes, it is in what, fourth quadrant. 3 pi by 2 plus x, यहाँ तक 3 pi by 2 होता है and plus x, so it is in what, fourth quadrant. Now in fourth quadrant cos is positive, in fourth quadrant cos is positive, so we will give here plus sign only. Then next angle is cos of 2 pi plus x, okay, cos of 2 pi plus x, so 2 pi plus x, so same होगा, 2 pi मतलब complete one rotation और फिर plus x, so we are getting here only cos x. Next is cot of, yeah, cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x, 3 pi by 2 minus x, so what will be this 3 pi by 2, मतलब 3 जो है multiple of pi by 2 is odd, so cot will change to what, tan, so it will change to what, tan, so यहाँ पे आएगा tan x, और 3 pi by 2 यहाँ तक होता है और minus x मतलब in third quadrant, so this angle is in what, third quadrant. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में cot पॉजिटिव ही होता है, so it will be plus tan x only. Then next angle is what, cot of 2 pi plus x, here cot of 2 pi plus x, 2 pi, so it will not change, that is only cot x, it is in what, first quadrant only, पूरा complete one rotation और plus x, so you are getting same cot 2 pi plus x will be equal to cot x. Now in LHS, see here LHS, what is LHS, cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x, so 3 pi by 2 plus x, that is equal to what, sin x, then into cos of 2 pi plus x, what is 2 pi plus x, cos of 2 pi plus x is cos x, it is cos x. Then there is a square bracket, so we will put here square bracket, and inside the square bracket cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x, what is cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x, it is tan, or plus cot of 2 pi plus x, what is cot of 2 pi plus x, it is cot x, cot x, here sin x into cos x, here sin x into cos x, and inside bracket we have tan x, tan x is sin x upon cos x, sin x upon cos x plus cot x is what, cos x upon sin x, upon what, sin x, this is equal to sin x into cos x, inside the bracket we have, LCM of denominator is what, cos x into sin x, what will be the LCM of denominator, it is cos x into sin x, is LCM, sin square x plus this क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन will give us, यहाँ पे आएगा cos square x. So clearly this sin x into cos x और ये sin x into cos x कैंसिल होगा. sin square plus cos square give us 1 और ये राइट हैंड साइड आपको शो करना है RHS. Yes. So we want to show it is equal to what? 1. See here it is equal to what? 1. Now next question is sec of 840 into cot of minus 940 plus sin 600 degree tan minus 690 degree is equal to what? 3/2 we want to show. So here (840). How we will express 840 degree? See here 840 degree 720 degree plus 720 degree plus what? 120 degree. तो co-terminal angles होते हैं and trigonometric functions of co-terminal angles are same. So sec of 840 degree that is equal to, सबकी वैल्यूज हम फाइंड करेंगे. sec of 720 degree plus 120 degree and it gives equal to 120 degree. Sec of 120 degree. Now what will be sec of 120 degree? See here cos of 120 degrees minus root 3. Sec of cos of, see here cos of 120 degrees minus 1 upon 2. So sec will be minus 2, or we can do it sec of 90 degree plus 30 degree. Yes, ये 90 प्लस 30 इट इज इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, और सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में सेक नेगेटिव होता है तो माइनस होगा, एंड सेक विल चेंज टू कोसेक ऑफ 30 डिग्री, तो क्लियरली इट विल बी -2 आएगा. दिस विल गिव अस व्हाट? -2. देयरफॉर सेक ऑफ 840 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू -2 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? -2. फिर नेक्स्ट आए cot of -945 degree. Look at this, cot of -945 degree. Yes, cot, see only cos and sec of minus theta is same, but cot of minus theta will be equal to minus cot theta. तो ये आएगा minus cot of 945 degree. Then 945 degree we will write as, see here, minus cot of 945 degree we will write as 1080 degree. Okay, 1080 degree minus 135 degree. Minus what? 135 degree. अब ये 1080 डिग्री मीन्स इट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 360, 3 into 360 डिग्री, यानी 1080 डिग्री. सो 3 into 360 डिग्री माइनस ऑफ 135 डिग्री, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू कॉट ऑफ, ये माइनस और ये नेगेटिव साइन, या वी विल राइट इट एज कॉट माइनस कॉट ऑफ -135 डिग्री. Yes, and minus of cot of minus will be plus cot only, so it will be equal to cot of 135 degree. 135 degree will write it is cot of 90 plus 45 degree. 90 plus 45 degree. It is in second quadrant, तो second quadrant में cot नेगेटिव होता है, और cot will change to tan of 45 degree because 90 degree है and it is equal to 1, so it will be minus 1. Therefore cot of minus 945 degree, cot of minus 945 degree is equal to minus 1. It is equal to what? Minus 1. So here we are getting two values. यहाँ पे हम two values मिला है आपको. One is this sec of 845 degree. So let's write this sec of 40 degree is equal to minus 2. और दूसरा है cot of what? Minus 945 degree. Minus 945 degree. It is equal to what? Minus 1. Then sine of 600 degree. Next value you have to find here. Sine of 600 degree. 600 degree. We will write it as sine of 720 degree minus 120 degree, you can write, and which is equal to minus sine of 120 degree. How it is? ये 2 times of 360 degree होता है और प्लस थीटा या माइनस थीटा. अगर माइनस थीटा है तो साइन विल बी माइनस साइन थीटा. And here it is minus sine of 120 degrees 90 plus 30 degree. Sine will change to cos and it is in second quadrant. Second quadrant में sine positive ही होता है. So this negative sign will carry and it will be cos 30 degree. What is this cos 30 degree? It is minus root 3 by 2. Yes. So minus root 3 by 2. Therefore sine of 600 degree is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Then next value is tan of minus 690 degree. Yes, tan of minus 690 degree, which is minus tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So it is minus tan of 690 degree, which you can write at tan of 720 degree, which is multiple of 360 degree, minus how much? 30 degree. It gives 690 degree. यहाँ पे this will be equal to, see here, it is minus tan of minus 30 degree, and it is minus of, okay, tan of minus theta will be minus tan theta, so it will be plus tan of 30 degree, and which is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. ये माइनस, ये नेगेटिव और ये नेगेटिव साइन प्लस होगा, so it is 1 by root 3. Then we substitute all these values. So what is this third sub question? Listen here. Third sub question is what? Sec 840 degree into cot minus 945 degree, yes, plus sine of 600 degree into tan of minus 690 degree. What is this sec of 840 degree? It is minus 2 into cot of minus 940 degree is what? into cot of minus 945 degree is minus 1, it is minus 1 plus sine of 600 degree is minus root 3 by 2 and tan of minus 690 degree is 1 upon root 3. So it is 1 upon root 3. Now this root 3 is getting cancelled. minus 2 and into minus 1 that gives us 2. यहाँ पे 2 आएगा और ये minus 1 upon 2 है. So clearly it is 3 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2, it is 3 by 2, which is RHS. हमें यही शो करना है. Yes dear students. अभी we will take this question number 4. What is this question number 4? Cosec of 90 minus x degree into sine of 180 minus x, then cot of 360 minus x, denominator में sec of 180 into 180 plus x, tan of 90 plus x and sine of minus x. So each value we will find here. Cosec of 90 minus x, 90 minus x, cosec will change to what? Sec. यहाँ पे आएगा sec x और ये 90 minus x is in second quadrant. Second quadrant में sin या cosec पॉजिटिव होता है. Sin of 180 minus x, sin of 180 minus x, with 180 मतलब 2 times of 90 degree होता है. Even multiple of 90 degree, trigonometric function does not change, keep in mind. तो यहाँ पे आएगा sin x, but it is in what? Second quadrant. 180 minus x मतलब second quadrant. तो second quadrant में sin positive ही होता है. And then cot of 360 degree minus x, 360 degree minus x. तो यहाँ पे आएगा cot of same angle minus x, but cot of minus x is minus cot x. Okay चलिए. Next denominator हमें देखना है. So let's see denominator. Denominator में sec of 180 plus x. Look at this, sec of 180 plus x. With 180 trigonometric function does not change. तो यहाँ पे आएगा sec x, लेकिन ये है थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में नेगेटिव होता है. tan of 90 plus x, 90 degree plus x. With 90 degree it changes, it will be cot of x degree, cot of x, and 90 plus x is in second quadrant. So second quadrant में tan cot नेगेटिव होता है. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, ये even odd function होता है. So that is equal to what? Minus sin x. So all these values we will substitute in LHS. यहाँ पे LHS में न्यूमरेटर में क्या है बेटा? हाँ, cosec of 90 minus x, it is what? Sec x into sin of 180 minus x, what is that? Sin x into cot of 360 minus x, क्या है? It is minus cot x, it is minus cot x. Denominator sec of 180 plus x, what is that? Minus sec x, minus sec x. Tan of 90 plus x is minus cot x, or sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x, minus sin x. So here ये माइनस कॉट एक्स और ये माइनस कॉट एक्स कैंसिल होगा, सेक एक्स एंड सेक एक्स कैंसिल होगा, साइन एक्स एंड साइन एक्स कैंसिल होगा, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव साइन विल बी प्लस साइन, इट गिव्स अस प्लस 1 विच इज right hand side, RHS. Okay. Next we will prove fifth one. Sine cube of pi plus x, sec square of pi minus x, and tan of 2 pi minus x here, cos square of pi by 2 plus x, sine of pi minus x, and cosec square of minus x. We want to show it is equal to tan cube x. So look at this sine cube pi plus x. Sine cube pi plus x, आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, it is sine of pi plus x, sine of pi plus x and whole cube भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Sine of pi plus x, you know, it is equal to what? Minus sin x, क्योंकि ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में आता है. And cube, okay, माइनस साइन है और क्यूब है, तो इट विल बी माइनस साइन क्यूब एक्स. ओके, इट इज माइनस साइन क्यूब एक्स. गेटिंग. देन sec square of pi minus x. You know, sec of pi minus x is minus sec x, क्योंकि ये सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में है. सो इट इज sec of pi minus x whole square, and it is, you know, sec of pi minus x is minus sec x, क्योंकि पाई के साथ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन डज नॉट चेंज. स्क्वायर है इसलिए प्लस साइन ही आएगा, sec square x. देन tan of 2 pi minus x, tan of 2 pi minus x. तो 2 pi के साथ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन अगेन डजंट चेंज, इट इज साइन ऑफ, इट इज व्हाट, tan of minus x, is tan of minus x, and tan of minus x is what? Minus tan x. Yes. Then next is cos square of pi by 2 plus x. See, with pi by 2 trigonometric function changes. Okay, it is square of what? Cos of pi by 2 plus x whole square. Cos pi by 2 plus x is what? Minus sin x, because it is in second quadrant. Minus sin x. Okay, cos of pi by 2 plus x, with pi by 2 trigonometric function change, and it is in second quadrant, so negative. So but square is there, so it will be plus sin square x only. Next question, next is sin of pi minus x. It is in second quadrant, so it is sin x only. And the last one is cosec square of minus x. It is equal to cosec of minus x, cosec of minus x whole square. This is what? Cosec of minus x is minus cosec x. Yes, cosec of minus x is minus cosec x. It is minus cosec x, but it's square, so it will be cosec square x only. It will be cosec square x only. So all these values we will substitute here. First is minus sin cube x, then next is sec square x, then next is minus tan x, sin square x, then it is sin x, and this is what? Cosec square x. So let's substitute all these values. See, first of all we'll write here sine cube pi plus x is what? Sine cube pi plus x, that is equal to minus sine cube x. Minus sine cube x. Next value is required 6 square of pi minus x is what? 6 square of pi minus x is sec square x. And tan of 2 pi minus x. Tan of 2 pi minus x is minus tan x. Cos square of pi by 2 plus x is sin square x. So it is cos square of pi by 2 plus x is what? Sin square x. And the next is sine of pi minus x is equal to sin x. Sin x. Last is cosec square of minus x is what? Only cosec square x. Once we are writing these values, we will substitute in the expression. LHS is equal to what? LHS is equal to here sine cube pi plus x, it is minus sine cube x, and sec square pi minus x is sec square x. Tan of 2 pi minus x is what? Minus tan x. Minus tan x. Denominator is what? Cos square pi by 2 plus x. It is sin square x. It is what? Sin square x. Sin of pi minus x is sin x. Sin x. And cosec square of that is equal to what? Cosec square x only. Cosec square x only. Here this sin cube x and this sin cube x is getting cancelled. Then माइनस और ये माइनस साइन प्लस साइन होगा. So here this minus sign and this minus sign will be plus sign. Sec square x into tan x upon cosec square x, which is ये 1 upon cosec square we will write as sin square x, और ये जो sec square x है we will write it as डिनोमिनेटर में cos square x, और ये into tan x as it is. Sin square upon cos square, that is equal to what? Tan square x, or into tan x, which is equal to what? Tan cube x, and which is required in the right hand side. Yes, tan cube x. The next is last question of this exercise is cos theta plus here cos theta plus sine of 270 here sine of 270 degree plus theta. Okay, 270 degree मतलब 3 times of 90 degree, 90 degree plus theta. तो ये ऑड मल्टीपल ऑफ 90 है, so sin will change to what? Cos. Odd multiple of 90, so it will be cos of theta. हाँ, 270 प्लस थीटा कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में है? फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में। फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में साइन नेगेटिव होते हैं, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन दिया है। देन साइन ऑफ 270 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है, और 270 मतलब 3 इंटू 90, इसके साथ साइन चेंज टू कॉस, ये भी नेगेटिव साइन होगा क्योंकि थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है, तो माइनस कॉस थीटा, साइन विल चेंज टू कॉस। आफ्टर दैट कॉस ऑफ 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा, यस 180 के साथ चेंज नहीं होता है, इट विल बी कॉस थीटा ओनली, लेकिन ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है इसलिए नेगेटिव साइन। ओके, सो LHS इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? कॉस थीटा, हाँ, साइन ऑफ 270 प्लस थीटा, व्हाट इज साइन ऑफ 270 प्लस थीटा? माइनस कॉस थीटा, देन माइनस sin of 270 minus theta, what is that? Minus cos theta, plus cos of 180 plus theta, it minus cos theta, it is minus cos theta. Clearly यहाँ पे cos theta और ये cos theta कैंसिल होगा, माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस cos theta, ये प्लस कॉस थीटा आएगा और ये माइनस कॉस थीटा, एंड दिस गिव्स अस व्हाट? 0, which is required to show right hand side this done. Now in this way we have completed all questions, that is there are 2 questions. Second question, there are 6 sub questions of this exercise 3.2 of question. Topic is what? Trigonometry part 2. So we have completed this exercise. Thank you for watching this video.